I thought that I was over you and doing oh so fine. I thought that I was free from wanting you. Then suddenly you walk on by, the guy I can't resist. I close my eyes and try to tell myself you don't exist. But every time I accidentally meet you anywhere, I guess my will, I simply must confess. The memories you're giving me whenever you're around will push me from the highest hill and make me feel so down. Here comes the pain again, drives me insane again. And I don't know if I'll ever be the same again. The thought of losing you still makes me oh so blue. And I don't know how I can reach you now when you are just a friend. Feel the misery coming over me, here comes that pain again. I play around and paint the town most every single night, just trying to forget the things we had. I make a toast of good old friends and think that I'm so free, but all that booze with all it brings, pain and misery. The thought of losing you still makes me oh so blue. And I don't know how I can reach you now, you are just a friend. Feel the misery coming over me, here comes that pain again. And I think that I'm gonna lose my mind, here comes that pain again. Suddenly I know that I love you so, here comes that